Hello guys, welcome to IMMA'S kitchen. Today we will be making pan roasted chicken leg. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning or dried thyme, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix well. Here we have 2 pieces of chicken legs. They're washed and also dried. We're going to add about 2 teaspoons of seasoning to each side of the chicken. Make sure to massage the seasoning into the entire side of the chicken. Then we are going to flip over the chicken and repeat the same steps. After you are done seasoning, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and coat the chicken. Next, we are going to wrap the chicken and let it marinate for about 15 to 30 minutes. Next, we are going to bring an oven-safe pan to medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan. As soon as you see your pan start to smoke, gently add both pieces of chicken. Both should be skin side down and you should hear a sizzle. That's how you know your pan is ready. We are going to cook the skin side for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you see your chicken is catching color too quickly, turn down the temperature a little bit. Your chicken should look similar to this. At that point, you could flip it and the skin should be crispy. Now let this side cook for about 7 minutes so it could get some color. After 7 minutes, we are going to flip it back to its skin side. At this point, we are almost ready to put the chicken into the oven. But before that, we are going to baste the chicken. In order to baste the chicken, we are going to carefully tilt the pan, use a spoon, and pour the oil over the chicken. This makes sure the chicken stays moist. After basting, place the pan into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, take out your chicken and baste again. After done basting, place your chicken back for about 15 more minutes. Now your chicken should be ready. Baste once more, let it rest for 10 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. Your chicken should be nice and juicy in the inside and have a nice crispy skin on the outside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.